Welcome to this rapid global tutorial video for the incident reporting package. My name is Jared, and in this video I will show you how to complete corrective actions. You can access the corrective actions in two different ways. The first way is to select the Actions tab at the top of the package, and this will bring you to the Actions page. Here you can conduct a search within all the corrective actions in your incident reporting system. Alternatively, you can find the relevant incident report on the dashboard. Here, you can select the action icon for corrective actions. This will also take you to the Actions page, but show you the corresponding corrective actions for that particular incident report. In this example, you can see that we have one corrective action here, and the close date is empty, meaning this corrective action is still yet to be completed. To complete this, you can select the action and click Close. You then enter your notes, upload any supporting files if needed, and click Save and Close. Once all corrective actions are complete, the incident report is ready to be closed by an administrator. Thanks for watching this guide on how to complete corrective actions, and we'll see you again in another rapid global tutorial.